Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can install an Express application and create your own Node.js server. So if you have not downloaded Node.js on your system yet, you can download it from here. So I have already downloaded and installed Node in my system. So you can check via opening terminal and enter the node -v command. This will show your Node version installed. So now I will create our application. So for that I will go to desktop, create a directory here, mkdir space filem. So I will name it my server. Now I will go to that folder just created. Now here I will create our Node application. For that I will enter node init. This command, this will be node npm init. This command will help us creating our Node application. So package name is my server. You can skip this or you can enter this value. So this is okay, yes. So now if I open VS Code in this directory here, you can see there is a package.json file already created for us. So our Node application is now initialized. So I will create a file, name it a app.js. So now we have an app.js and package.json file. Now I will open the terminal here. Here I will install a npm package called Express. So npm I express -- save. This will install Express server in our Node application. So here you can see all the files are added. Now we will add a constant, say in our app.js file, const say express. I will include our express here, require express. So now I will create another constant, app. This will be our main app. So express app. So our app is now ready, and now we can create our very first route. So for that we will add app.getRoute. This will be, so here will be an arrow function. Here is REST and request and response here. Now we will send the response via response.send. This will be hello world, let's say. You can send any response here. This is done. Now we will listen for this application via listen command. The first parameter it takes is the port number, so I will say 3000 port, and then there is a callback function. So I will console log here. App is running on port 3000. Okay, great. Now our Express app is ready. It is that easy. So to run our Express application, we will run this command by node space app.js. So you can see that app is running on port 3000. So head over to the browser. Now type localhost:3000 port number. Yeah, you can see that hello world is returning from the Node.js. Thanks for watching.